what's up, YouTube?
This is another challenge. So Fede here, oh okay, Fede, I'm paying you, and we have challenges for today. So we'll be doing different challenges. Fede, the first challenge would be juggling the ball. So they're gonna compete and juggle the ball and see who juggles the most. And if you're the least, they shy you. Fede, that's the first challenge.
Fede, here's the challenge.
So wait, let me ask them some few questions. What's your favorite team?
My favorite team?
Yeah.
Women 3, go.
Alright, Fede.
What's your favorite team? What's your favorite team?
Manchester City.
Manchester. Fede.
Wait, now, how much do you think you're gonna
I can
juggle?
juggle, boy.
How much?
About 30.
So I know if you don't get to 30, what are we doing?
Man, obviously, the punishment, dude.
Wait now.
About
50. Confident. Wait now.
30 and above.
I'm feeding. So now let's get to it now and see who's the best. Let's see who's the best.
Whoa, am I the first one?
Now you're gonna be the first one.
Am I the first one?
Yeah, you're gonna be the first one.
Pass me the ball, yeah.
Hey, man.
That way I'm flying by OG type shit.
Feed type shit.
Okay, I'm a star right now.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
A few minutes later.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34. Fede. So now he has to get to over 34.
It's that past 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, just past 30.
But he has to get over 35 or 34. Yeah. So let's see. No pressure. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Fede.
One.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Almost there.
Oh my god.
50. Something.
So he got 58. So now the pressure's on the young boy here. It's on this young boy. So let's see what he's got for us. Are you ready, boy?
Nah, dog.
You're not ready?
Nah.
My friend.
Nah, Freddy, let's see what you got for us.
That's cap.
You need to go above 34.
34
So
is
yeah.
the minimum.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
So,
13 go.
So
the last one
that's
is the one.
Char.
The last one is the one who gets the punishment, right?
Yeah.
The last
So
one.
Fede, let me explain what the punishment is. The punishment is he's gonna get shired by everyone here. Everyone here. Where should you shire him though?
Wabantwana.
Nah, boy.
Oh, Fede. Call it a hole on the arm. You. One. You okay?
How many? 2?
Shire 2 each. Fede. So, how do you feel being the loser?
Great.
Yeah. Nah, but we didn't expect anything much though. You. From you, you know. Cause.
No, that's crazy, dog.
But like, no shade. No shade. No shade.